How to draw Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Hey, what is going on everyone? So today we're going to be learning how to draw Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. To begin today's drawing, we're going to start by drawing two curved lines that will make the hairline for the very top of Sally's head. And if you are new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new channel to watch or a new drawing community, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Great! Now once we have the hairline drawn, as we currently do, we will now go ahead and connect the two sides of the line by drawing the outline of the face. Be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to if I ever go too fast. Fantastic! For the next step, we're going to go ahead and draw the outline of Sally's hair. Let's go right above where we first began by drawing the hairline, and let's go ahead and draw the full outline of her hair. I will start by drawing a curved line that will be on the right side of the page. Then I will hop over and do the left side a similar length. Then once I am done doing that, I will go ahead and connect both sides. Great! Now let's go ahead and connect both sides by going beneath the face. Beautiful! This is a great start. Now, we'll come back and add some detail to the hair a little later on in the video, but as of right now, let's go to the inside of the face and let's go ahead and begin to add some detail. We will first begin by drawing the nose, which will be made by making a simple small U line that will be pointing upwards. Then, right below that nose, we will draw the mouth by giving Sally a smile with lips attached to that smile, which will be a simple curved line. Attached to what we just drew, let's go ahead and add stitch lines to the curved line. For the next step, we're going to go directly above the nose in the center of the face and draw the eyes. Let's go ahead and begin with the left eye. Great! Now let's go ahead and draw the right eye. Let's try to make sure that both eyes are very similar in size. Now once we have the outline of each eye drawn, let's go ahead and draw a small dot in the center of each eye for the pupil. Then we're going to draw the eyelashes on the very top portion of the eye. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, don't forget to give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Well done! Now the final step of drawing Sally's face will be us drawing a line that will go through the left eye. We will want to add small stitch marks to this line similar to what we did for the mouth. Well done! For the next step, we're going to go back to Sally's hair and we're going to go ahead and add in lines for detail. Right below the head, keep in mind that we're going to want to draw 2 long lines that will go to the bottom of her hair, which will be for her neck. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing completely colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. The next 2 lines that we draw will be for Sally's neck. This is how to draw Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Other cool drawings that we have made are Jack Skellington and even Oogie Boogie, so be sure to check those out as I will include links to those at the very end of today's video. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.